All right, my name is Ruben Quintanilla, and I'm a finance manager here at Hacienda Ford.
I'm Daniel Carrero, and I'm in sales department here at Hacienda Ford.
Hi, I'm Desiree. I work in the service department.
Hi, I'm Taylor and I work in the customer care center.
My name is Sal Martinez and I'm in the accounting department.
Liliana Gonzalez, also from the accounting department.
My name is Jesse and I'm from the quick lane department.
My name is Robert and I'm from the quick lane department as well.
Which popular Christmas beverage is also called a milk plank?
Eggnog?
Eggnog.
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 Which country did eggnog come from?
Switzerland.
Germany.
I've never had eggnog. I don't know.
Yeah, forfeit this one.
Country.
Get here.
No, I take the L.
I don't drink eggnog.
I don't know.
United States.
I was gonna say the North Pole.
Elvis isn't going to have a white Christmas. He is going to have a...
Is it Elvis? Merry Christmas.
You get it.
Jolly Christmas.
Hint, it is a color.
Blue.
Wow.
Black. Red.
Honka honk for Christmas. Is that right? That's not right?
How many ghosts show up in a Christmas Carol?
3. No, God.
13.
No, it's 4.
12. No.
5.
Dang, we're really bad at this.
13? Damn. Wow, you're so
7.
3. No?
No.
It's pretty confident there.
Was it 4?
Oh,
Oh, God.
What did the other reindeer not let Rudolph do because of his shiny red nose?
play with all the other reindeer.
Is that 1 and 1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are tied.
Okay.
They'd never let him play in any reindeer games.
Wow.
play with them, right? In their games, play in all the games or something. Yeah.
Be the front reindeer? No.
Play with them.
Yeah. Oh, good job, man.
No.
The movie Miracle on 34th Street is based on a real-life department store. What is it?
Macy's.
Damn it. That's the only one I would have said.
I don't know. Guys, these are hard.
No, I don't know. I'll guess. Is it Bloomingdale's? No? Okay, no. No.
Walgreens. I have no idea.
What'd you say?
Walgreens.
Oh, is that a toy store?
What do people traditionally put on top of a Christmas tree?
A star.
Angel.
Damn it. Why did I say star?
A star. No?
Correct.
A tree topper. I didn't want to say a star because that's what I was gonna do.
A star?
Mistletoe?
Oh, star? Ah, no. Fine.
An angel.
What words follow Silent Night in the song?
Holy night.
Damn. Okay.
Oh. Holy night.
Alright.
No. Long night? No? No, I don't know that song. Like, I've heard it, but I don't know it.
Holy night.
Which Hollywood actor played 6 different roles in the Polar Express?
Tom Hanks.
You got this one. Oh.
No, I'm gonna say no. I don't know this one. I can't remember his name.
I don't know his name. Okay, next. Next. This is bad, guys.
Jim Carrey.
A guy,
Oh.
Tim Allen? No?
Oh.
No.
Tom Hanks. Yeah.
Oh.
What did Frosty the Snowman do when a magic hat was placed on his head?
Turned into a real. He came to life.
He started talking.
Incorrect.
He danced.
Did he come alive? Did he dance? Sing? No. I don't know.
I have no idea.
You want to know?
I don't know the answer.
Oh. He came to life.
No, he already came
shit.
to life. What did he do?
No.
Right?
I thought. What?
No,
No. You got it.
I don't.
Can we call a friend?
He sang?
Which real life person is Santa Claus based on?
Saint Nick.
Damn it.
I feel like my answer is gonna be wrong.
Go for it.
Saint Nick.
Well, is it real life Saint Nick? Yeah, right? Okay.
Say it.
Saint Nicholas?
Yeah.
Nick?
Alright.
Good job, man.
Yeah.
What is Ralphie's little brother's name in the movie A Christmas Story?
Hold on. Dang it.
Dang.
Wait. I know this one. Wait.
Oh my god, I've seen this movie like a bunch of times.
I know, I've seen it too. I guess whoever gets it first gets it. Yeah. Wait. Oh, Randy.
Correct.
There it is.
Oh, I haven't seen that movie.
I have not seen that movie either.
I don't know who that is.
don't think I've ever seen that movie.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. It's one where he shoots his eye out with a BB gun.
For what?
Right? Yeah. Christmas Story.
No, I haven't seen it.
I don't know his name.
How many gifts in total were given in the 12 Days of Christmas song?
12.
No.
Correct.
25.
12.
It's a lot. 'Cause
Oh, hold on.
Break it down, you guys.
I'm gonna have to sing the whole song.
Total. That's a lot of math right there. It's a lot.
What was that?
800.
365.
Yeah.
365?
Well, it's 364. Yeah.
364.
What?
That was close.
Really? I would have never guessed. Okay, never mind.
Is it 12?
That's a tricky ass
Yeah, right.
question. 13.
What was the Frosty's the Snowman's nose made out of?
Carrot.
Correct.
Coal.
A button?
Carrot.
Is it a button?
Yeah.
I knew it.
Carrot.
No?
Oh.
Oh, wait. Yeah. No. Yes.
Do it. Just do it.
A stick?
What was the first company that used Santa Claus in advertising?
Coca-Cola.
Okay. That concludes our game. Ruben, you won.
This is rigged.
Congratulations.
How many did he? How many did he?
Yeah,
You won that one.
Made a great comeback there.
Damn. If I would have just gotten that Coca-Cola one right there.
That was close. That
Do you guys want to know the answer to the 12 Days of Christmas?
Coca-Cola.
Correct.
Dang, you won.
Dude, do I know Christmas or do I know Christmas?
You won. You won a $10 gift card to Chick-fil-A.
Hey, it's lunch for next week. Thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna take a picture of you guys.
Okay, can I fix my antlers?
I don't know if I was alive yet. Coca-Cola? Yes.
You're welcome.
I won, right?
3-2. That was 100 questions.
1 to 0.
You won.
Yay. Give me $5.
Something.
Oh, for real?
Coca-Cola? Oh, damn, bro. You drink a lot of Coca, huh?
Robert, congratulations.
What the heck?
You won.
I get that TV?
Look at that.
Sadly, no, but you do get lunch.
Oh,
Dude.
dude, you just got me lunch. Thanks. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Do you guys have anything to say for the camera? Anything you'd like to shout out?
Were we the worst ones?
Oh, yeah. No?
No?
No.
Oh, shit. I think we did pretty good. Yeah. Yeah.
You guys are solid, man. You were a good one.
Cool. Thank you for lunch and Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.